In this video, we are going to learn about how we can create different queries around Solana Transfers API on Bitquery IDE. All the saved query links and Bitquery Telegram channel link will be in the description. Navigate to ide.bitquery.io and register first as a developer to get free points to run queries. I have already done that, so I'm going to directly jump on the query examples of Transfers API. You guys should use this query builder on the left. It's a very nice tool to build the queries very easily. You just have to select the attributes that you need info about, and you also need where conditions in which you can put limits and many more types of filters. I will show you how to use the query builder by building the first query live in just a second. Firstly, we are going to talk about how many queries we are going to build and which queries are they going to be. We are going to see three example queries around Transfers API. First one will be get real-time NFT transfers on Solana network. Second one will be get transfers where sender is a particular address. Third one will be get real-time SPL token transfers of Jupyter token. So in our first query, we are getting the real-time NFT transfers on Solana. Firstly, make sure this is EAP, which is our early access program. Select Solana and then transfers. And under transfers, we are going to select the where keyword to filter for NFT transfers. And under where, you select transfer again and then currency and then fungible, make it false because we are checking for NFT transfers only. That's it. Our where condition is now done, and now we are going to select attributes that we need in our query response. Now we are going to select transfer, and under that amount in USD, and then currency. And under currency, we are going to need some info about like is it fungible or not, mint address, name, symbol, and then URI. We are going to also need receiver address, sender address, and also a transaction signature so that we can look the transaction on Toolscan. But firstly, we are going to change this query keyword to subscription so that we can get the real-time data. Now run this query. Stop the query as you get some data. Here you can see you are getting all the info about the attributes that you set, and you can also see that they are indeed NFT transfers, as you can see that this fungible is false. So our first query is done here. Now moving on to our second query, we are getting the transfers on Solana network where the sender is a particular address. Here I have used this address, which is going to be our sender's address, and we are getting transfers for that. Here I have used this where keyword, and under where keyword I have used this transfer sender, and under sender address I have selected this address. Now I'm going to run the subscription query and wait for some data to appear. Here you can see that sender address is indeed same as what we have mentioned in our query. 2G9, here's also 2G9. Now moving on to the third query, we're getting SPL token transfers of a particular token. I've used this Jupyter token address. Where keyword again, and I have set the transfer currency mint address here as Jupyter token address. Run the query and you will see that the transfers of Jupyter token. Here you can see that the name of the token is Jupyter. The address is also the GUP one that we have mentioned here. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and also head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.